everyone. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Wanted to hop on here and give you a quick update in regards to phase 2 that's coming up and what it means. It actually means that we can finally meet you in person and show you houses in person. We can't have open houses, but we are having virtual open houses, live virtual open houses that you can sign up for. However, we're super excited that we can show you homes in person finally. Obviously, we have to take extra precautions to keep you safe and keep ourselves safe. So masks are going to be required, shoe covers are going to be required, and absolutely no children. And we obviously have to limit the number of people coming through a home. One thing I do want to mention, that interest rates are doing really well right now, and we have so many buyers out there trying to take advantage of the low interest rates, but really not enough houses for sale to show our buyers. So if you were thinking about selling your home this year, definitely think about listing sooner than later. And I'm always happy to answer any questions that you might have about anything real estate related. And hopefully I'll be able to provide some valuable information. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.